In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to complete step 4 of the eBay plan, which is mapping eBay categories. Click on step 4. Over here, you can select the category on the left to display all unmapped categories. The category on the right will display all categories whether they are mapped or unmapped. These categories on the left are the supplier categories. You only need to map these categories once, and all the products from the supplier category will be displayed on the eBay category selected. Then, click on Select eBay category to proceed. Then on this page, you can see the suggested categories from eBay. You can also manually choose a category. In this case, I will choose a suggested category. Then click on Save. This drop-down list varies, depending on the eBay category. For some categories, you can change the listing duration. But not in this case. Click on Save again. It will give a confirmation status. Here is another example. In this case, I will manually map the category. Once you see this message, click on Save. You can also change mapping at item level. This is if you wish to have different categories for specific items. To map individual products, click on My List. Then find eBay category in the description of the product. Right now it says Other Tobacco. Click on this icon. You will be taken to this same page, and you can configure the category yourself. For example, I am going to change the category to Vintage Television. Then click on Save. As you see here, the category has changed to Vintage Television. As you see, step 4 is completed. Now, step 5 is optional. I will cover step 5 in a separate video. So if you are interested in step 5, refer to the other video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.